Okay, so now that you have that series, let's add something to it. There's my complete but relaxed chamber. I mentioned this the other day in our class. When we go to our ready position, right? Our Chumbi ready position. You kind of look at that, you say, okay, that doesn't really look ready. If you were to come and attack me and I saw you coming at me, I probably wouldn't go. What we're really talking about when we go to that ready position is mental readiness, and we are trying to replicate kind of being out in the street. This is a very kind of natural, neutral position, and that's why it's our ready position. That's why we don't say, okay, ready. Just, I got my hands in my pockets, right? I'm just hanging out. And then all of a sudden the attack comes from this side, and I got to get to that high block. And then at that last moment when it's at full extension, you'll see him just kind of tighten everything for a second, and then it pulls back again. And you say, man, that looks so amazing. How did they do that? Well, it was just a matter of relaxing and then tightening for a moment and then relaxing again. Outer form block, punch, kick. And we're going to chain them together a little bit here. And my outer form block is on the other side. Then I punch, kick, and then, so it's kind of the same combination that we had before. We're just applying it a little bit differently. Instead of stepping forward into that block, I'm going to step off of my block, and I'm going step with the left as I block with the right, then twist that left hand, and then front kick right down that target. Final drill comes from the high block. But I wish we would change the name sometimes because it's not technically a high block. If you look at the height of my head, this is kind of easy to see on the camera, right? So you can see that the height of my head is right where that Tiger Rock symbol is behind me, out in a high block. What's the height of that block? Well, if I pull it back, it's where my head was. So I didn't necessarily block high. I blocked at the same level my head is because I'm moving forward. It's really more of like a forwards block. And you're getting this hand into their shoulder. Boom. As he comes in, it's this idea of stepping in and getting under that block here, like this. After I do this, now my backhand is going to throw a nice quick punch. Boom, right to the gut, punch to the body, and then throw that knee. 2, 1, and time. Okay, guys, so since we practiced chambering, here's what I need you to do. Your homework assignment. Don't take shortcuts. When you give somebody a hug, especially during the holiday season, give them a big hug, a big tight hug. And if they ask, why are you hugging me so tight? You say, well, my instructor said I need to be practicing my chamber, so I'm going to get you inside there. I'm going to really hug you tight, okay? Don't take shortcuts, especially when you're giving hugs.